everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and in this video I will be talking about a revolution which is called menstrual cup. So what is menstrual cup? Well, menstrual cup is a tiny little silicone cup that we can use instead of sanitary pads. Why? Because first, menstrual cups are much more convenient and sustainable. Second, you don't have to worry about changing it in every 3 to 4 hours. Third, you are free to do any activities like yoga, gym, exercise, swimming, dancing, etc. and much more. 4, you don't have to buy tons of pads. Just one menstrual cup and you are good to go for 10 years. Also, these are reusable, so these are environmental friendly too. The one I use is Everteen's menstrual cup, which comes in this very cute and convenient box packaging, which contains this menstrual cup made with medical grade silicone, this tiny little portly so that you can carry this cup anywhere, and this instruction guide. This retails for 435 rupees and you can use this for 10 freaking years. Every month we women spend, let's say, 100 rupees on pads. That means 1200 rupees per year, which means 12,000 rupees for 10 years. But you are spending only 435 rupees here, so imagine how much you are saving. This menstrual cups comes in 2 sizes. If you are unmarried and young, then go for a size small, which is I am using. Otherwise, go for the larger size. So these are super soft, like you can see, very safe and very easy to use. No tension of leakage and you are free to do any activities. Suppose this is your vagina, you just need to fold it like this and put it in your vagina like this, and that's it. And when you are done filling the cup or you feel like changing it, just hold it like this and pull it out to remove it. Since the tunnel where you are putting this in, from where the blood comes actually, the tunnel is very flexible, so you don't need to worry about hurting yourself while putting it in or pulling it out. Since the tunnel is flexible, it will be adjusted. All the blood comes from your uterus, gets straight in here, and after removing it, you just need to spill the blood in the toilet and then wash it off. But keep that in mind, you need to clean this cup properly. Don't worry, I will share that as well. And yeah, that's all you need to do and you are good to go. You are good to go to use it again and again for 10 years. Now, to keep it safe to use for 10 years, you need to take care of it. You need to wash it properly. Since you are putting it inside your vagina, you don't want to take any risks, right? So to clean this, I use this Everteen's menstrual cup cleanser. It also comes with this cleansing brush. Now let me show you how to use it. So first, wash the cup properly with water, then take little amount of water in it and little amount of the cup cleanser. Clean it properly with the help of the brush. This cleanser is non-toxic, prevents bacteria and fungal growth. It washes away stains easily. It also helps fight and prevents fungal and bacterial growth. This menstrual cup cleanser made with 100% food grade active ingredients. Keep this for 5 minutes and then wash it off with water properly, and yeah, you are good to go to use it again. So I would suggest go for menstrual cups instead of pads and start using it. At least give this a try and I am sure you will love it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Comment down below and share this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.